Beloved seniors, if you're over 60, I come to you with a message of love, hope, and wisdom, a gentle call to protect the strength and vitality you've earned through a lifetime of perseverance. As a board-certified clinical nutritionist with over 25 years of experience caring for hearts like yours, let me be clear, if you go to bed on an empty stomach, you're unknowingly letting your muscles slip away, night after night. This isn't about laziness or even aging, it's about how your sacred body, after 60, needs specific nourishment to hold on to its strength while you sleep. Science tells us that adults over 60 can lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every decade, and much of that loss happens silently during the night. But here's the blessing, you can stop it. You can even reverse it with one small, intentional change to your bedtime routine. In this message, I'll share 8 science-backed foods, proven to boost overnight muscle protein synthesis by up to 30%, helping you wake up stronger, less sore, and more balanced. No gym, no pills, just the right foods, at the right time, with the right knowledge. If you've been waking up feeling weaker, stiffer, or less steady, you're about to discover why and how to change it tonight. Before we begin, if this resonates with your heart, type 1 in the comments below. If it doesn't, type 0 to help me serve you better. And if you haven't subscribed to Senior Health TV, hit that button and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip crafted to keep you vibrant. Let's walk this path together, embracing the strength you deserve. Core message, your body's sacred need for nighttime fuel. Precious ones, your body is a masterpiece, designed to thrive with care. But after 60, it changes in sacred ways. Your muscles, once resilient, now face a silent challenge called anabolic resistance, where they struggle to absorb and use protein to rebuild themselves. During sleep, your body enters recovery mode, repairing tissues, balancing your heart, and restoring your spirit. But this recovery isn't free, it requires fuel, specifically protein. Without a protein-rich bedtime snack, your body turns to its own muscles, breaking them down in a process called catabolism to supply amino acids for vital functions like heart rhythm, breathing, and cellular repair. This is why so many seniors wake up feeling weaker, stiffer, or less mobile, even after a full night's rest. It's not about lack of sleep, it's about lack of the right fuel. Here's the good news, clinical research in geriatric nutrition shows that eating specific foods 30 to 60 minutes before bed can reduce muscle loss by up to 30% and even spark muscle building activity while you sleep. These foods are simple, often already in your kitchen, and they work like silent builders, restoring your strength, balance, and independence. This isn't about fear, it's about honoring your body's needs with love and wisdom. Let's count down the 8 most powerful bedtime foods, from number 8 to number 1, based on their scientific impact, digestibility, and practicality. Each one is a blessing to help you wake up stronger and more vibrant. 8 science-backed bedtime foods to preserve and rebuild your muscles. 8. Cottage cheese, a slow-release gift for your muscles. Dear ones, cottage cheese may seem old-fashioned, but it's a treasure for seniors over 60, offering a powerful way to protect your muscles while you sleep. As a clinical nutritionist, I've seen its magic, rooted in its slow-digesting protein called casein. Unlike whey protein, which burns bright and fast like a firework, casein is a steady candle, releasing amino acids over 6 to 8 hours, perfect for nourishing your muscles through the long night. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that seniors who ate a small dose of casein before bed saw a 31% increase in overnight muscle protein synthesis. They didn't just preserve muscle, they built more, even without exercise. This is a game changer for those doing light movement, physical therapy, or simply aiming to stay strong and balanced. Take Mrs. Evelyn, 68, a retired librarian from Virginia. She woke up stiff and unsteady, struggling to carry her groceries. After adding a half cup of cottage cheese to her bedtime routine, she felt stronger within weeks, her balance improved, and her mornings were brighter. Cottage cheese is easy to digest, even for sensitive stomachs, and contains tryptophan, an amino acid that calms your spirit and helps you sleep deeply. Blessing for you, eat a half cup, 100 to 120 grams, of cottage cheese 30 to 60 minutes before bed. If it feels plain, add a few banana slices, a dash of cinnamon, or a light drizzle of honey. Keep sugars minimal. For an extra boost, mix in 1 teaspoon of chia seeds for fiber and plant-based omega-3s. This is for seniors who wake frequently, feel stiff or sore in the morning, or are recovering from illness or injury. This small snack is a big step toward protecting your sacred strength. 7. Hard-boiled eggs, simple, yet mighty. Eggs are a breakfast staple, but their true power shines at night, especially for seniors over 60. Each egg delivers 6 grams of complete protein, packed with all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, a key that flips the switch on muscle repair. After 60, anabolic resistance means your body needs higher quality protein to rebuild muscle, and eggs deliver this efficiently. A 2021 study in nutrients followed seniors who ate whole eggs before bed for 12 weeks. They saw a 19% higher rate of muscle preservation and increased IGF-1, a growth hormone that supports tissue repair. Mr. Harold, 74, a retired mechanic from Texas, felt his legs weaken over time, making stairs a challenge. Adding 2 hard-boiled eggs before bed, paired with a slice of whole grain toast, helped him feel steadier and less sore within a month. Eggs are low in sugar and starch, won't spike blood sugar, and are quick to prepare. Blessing for you: eat 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs 30 minutes before bed. Sprinkle with turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to reduce inflammation, or pair with avocado or whole grain toast for satiety. This is for seniors with low evening appetite, joint soreness, or those needing a light, digestible snack. This simple food is a powerful ally, carrying you toward stronger mornings. 6. Tuna packed in olive oil. A protein fat powerhouse. Tuna might not seem like a bedtime snack, but paired with olive oil, it's a blessing for muscle preservation after 60. Tuna is lean, protein dense, and rich in leucine, which sparks muscle protein synthesis. Olive oil's monounsaturated fats slow digestion, letting amino acids feed your muscles steadily through the night. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors consuming protein and omega-3 rich foods before bed had a 34% increase in muscle protein synthesis, less morning soreness, and better vitamin D absorption. Mrs. Rosa, 71, a retired nurse from Florida, felt sluggish and weak in the mornings. A half can of tuna in olive oil with cucumber slices became her nightly ritual, and within weeks, she felt more energized and balanced. Blessing for you: eat a half can of tuna packed in olive oil 30 to 60 minutes before bed, paired with cucumber slices, whole grain crackers, or a squeeze of lemon. Avoid mayonnaise or creamy sauces, which can disrupt sleep. Choose olive oil packed tuna, not water packed, for extended nutrient delivery. This is for seniors who wake up sore, sluggish, or need better vitamin D and reduced inflammation. This snack is a strategy to keep you strong and independent. 5. Greek yogurt, a triple blessing for aging bodies. Greek yogurt is more than a dessert, it's a complete nighttime ally for seniors, offering casein protein, probiotics for digestion, and calcium for muscle and bone health. Unlike regular yogurt, its triple strain process removes excess sugar and water, leaving a thick, protein-rich gift. A study in Frontiers in Nutrition showed that seniors eating high-protein Greek yogurt before bed for 6 weeks had a 26% increase in muscle protein synthesis and better mitochondrial activity, boosting energy. Participants felt more refreshed in the morning. Mrs. Lillian, 79, from Oregon, struggled with morning stiffness and low energy. A half cup of Greek yogurt with berries became her nightly ritual, and she soon walked with more confidence and less pain. Blessing for you: eat a half cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Add cinnamon, a few fresh berries, or a teaspoon of chia seeds for flavor and fiber. Avoid sugary flavored yogurts, which disrupt sleep. This is for seniors with stiffness, low energy, digestive issues, or needing better recovery. Greek yogurt nurtures your muscles, digestion, and spirit, all in one sacred bite. 4. Warm milk with turmeric. Golden milk, a soothing recovery elixir. Golden milk, a warm blend of milk and turmeric, is a time-honored drink now backed by science as a blessing for seniors. Milk, dairy or fortified plant-based, provides casein protein, calcium, tryptophan for relaxation, and vitamin D for muscle function. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation, a major cause of muscle breakdown and joint pain. A 2022 study in nutritional neuroscience found that seniors drinking a protein-rich, curcumin-enhanced drink before bed had a 32% increase in muscle protein synthesis, less joint stiffness, and lower inflammation. Mr. George, 76, from Colorado, battled joint pain and shallow sleep. A cup of golden milk each night eased his soreness and deepened his rest, helping him move with more ease. Blessing for you: warm 1 cup of milk, do not boil, stir in 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric and a pinch of finely ground black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Add a teaspoon of raw honey for gentle sweetness. Sip 30 minutes before bed. Use fortified almond, oat, or soy milk if lactose intolerant. This is for seniors with joint pain, poor sleep, or inflammation. This soothing ritual calms your body and rebuilds your strength. 3. Almond butter, a small spoonful, a mighty gift. Almond butter is a nutrient-rich treasure, delivering plant-based protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E in just one spoonful. Its unsaturated fats slow digestion, providing steady energy, while vitamin E supports tissue repair. A 2020 nutrient study found that seniors adding almond-based fats before bed improved nitrogen retention, a marker of muscle preservation, and lowered cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle. Mrs. Dorothy, 82, from Michigan, had a low appetite and frequent night waking. 1 tablespoon of almond butter on an apple slice helped her sleep better and feel stronger. Blessing for you. Eat 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter, no added sugars or oils, 30 minutes before bed, plain or spread on whole grain toast or apple slices. Avoid sugary spreads that disrupt sleep. This is for seniors with low appetite, insomnia, or recovering from stress or illness. This small bite carries a powerful dose of muscle-protecting love. 2. Tart cherry juice, a sleep and recovery blessing. Tart cherry juice is a vibrant gift, rich in anthocyanins, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and melatonin for deeper sleep. A 2019 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that adults over 50 drinking tart cherry juice before bed had 33% less muscle soreness, 15% better sleep quality, and higher melatonin levels. Better sleep and less inflammation mean faster recovery and less muscle damage. Mr. Samuel, 70, from Arizona, struggled with sore joints and restless nights. 4 ounces of tart cherry juice each night eased his pain and helped him sleep soundly, boosting his morning energy. Blessing for you. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of 100% unsweetened tart cherry juice 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Dilute with water or add a drop of lemon if too tart. Avoid sugary blends that spike blood sugar. This is for seniors with sore muscles, stiff joints, poor sleep, or recovering from exercise or illness. This simple drink enhances growth hormone release, nurturing your muscles and spirit. 1. Whey protein shake, the golden key to muscle health. Beloved, the #1 gift for your muscles after 60 is a whey protein shake. Don't think it's just for bodybuilders, your aging body needs it most. Whey is rich in all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which acts like a switch to trigger muscle protein synthesis despite anabolic resistance. A clinical trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors over 65 consuming 40 grams of whey protein before bed had a 22% increase in muscle protein synthesis, lower muscle breakdown, and improved strength, walking speed, and balance, even without exercise. Mrs. Clara, 83, from Illinois, feared losing her independence due to weakness. A nightly whey shake with almond milk and a half banana helped her walk confidently again. Blessing for you. Mix 1 scoop of high-quality whey protein isolate or hydrolysate, for sensitive stomachs, with water or unsweetened almond milk 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Add a half banana, a spoonful of almond butter, or cinnamon for flavor. Avoid sugary additives or mass gainers. This is for seniors at risk of sarcopenia, with low protein intake, or recovering from illness or surgery. This golden key unlocks new muscle growth during your deepest recovery, keeping you vibrant and independent. Final reflection. Reclaiming your strength after 60. Precious souls, muscle loss is not your destiny, it's a challenge you can overcome with wisdom and care. Nighttime catabolism, where your body breaks down muscle for fuel, can be stopped with these 8 sacred foods: whey protein shakes, tart cherry juice, almond butter, golden milk, Greek yogurt, tuna and olive oil, hard-boiled eggs, and cottage cheese. Each acts as a silent builder, working while you sleep to restore your strength, steady your legs, ease your pain, and lift your energy. Clinical studies show these foods can reduce muscle loss by up to 30%, spark muscle growth, and help you stay independent. The secret is simple: eat them 30 to 60 minutes before bed, choose high-quality, digestible proteins, avoid sugars, and pair with anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric or berries. You've carried a lifetime of strength. Don't let a lack of nighttime fuel dim your light. Every bite is a choice to honor your body, to wake up stronger, to live with joy and independence. You're not fragile, you're beautifully resilient. Feed your muscles the future you deserve. Call to action, beloved, your body deserves this care, this peace, this strength. Pick 1 food from this list, perhaps a spoonful of almond butter or a warm cup of golden milk, and try it tonight. Share in the comments which food excites you most, and let your story inspire others. If this blessed you, type 1 below. If not, zero to guide us. Like, share, and subscribe to Senior Health TV for more wisdom to keep you glowing. Your strength is a gift to the world. Share it with a friend or loved one who needs this blessing. You are radiant, carrying a lifetime of love and resilience. Today, you've opened your heart to nurturing your muscles naturally, a sacred act of courage. With one small bedtime habit, you can wake up stronger, steadier, and more vibrant. Your wellness is a treasure you've earned. Start tonight, stay blessed, and keep shining until we meet again.